In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set and manage multiple take profit levels in your trading platform. This process not only helps structure your trades, but also prepares you to react to market changes efficiently. So let's dive in and explore these steps one by one. To start, we'll use horizontal lines to clearly mark your take profit levels on the chart. Head over to the left toolbar on your trading platform and select the horizontal line tool. This tool is essential for creating visual markers on your charts. Once you've got it selected, go ahead and place horizontal lines at your desired take profit price levels. By marking these positions, you allow yourself a clear view of where each of your profit points lies, which can be extremely helpful to avoid any confusion while actively trading. To distinguish between different take profit levels, it's a smart move to customize the line color and style. By changing up the appearance of each line, you can quickly spot your targets and keep your chart organized. It's important to choose colors that pop but are not too overwhelming, so you won't be distracted and can focus on important price levels easily. With your lines set, let's improve clarity by adding labels or notes. Simply right-click on each horizontal line and select Add Label. This function allows you to name each level with identifiers like TP1, TP2, or TP3, which makes it much easier to remember what each line represents. Alternatively, you might want to use the text tool to add notes nearby. This gives you the flexibility to include additional context or reminders that align with your trading strategy. Next, consider using the price range tool. This tool is especially useful for visually highlighting the areas between your entry points and your take profit levels. It provides a clear view of potential profit margins, aiding in a better assessment of risk and reward. By using the price range tool, you gain a more comprehensive perspective on your trading setup. For those interested in receiving immediate updates when the market hits their target levels, setting alerts at each take profit point can be incredibly beneficial. While this is an optional step, setting alerts ensures that you won't miss the opportunity to maximize gains when prices approach your targets. It adds a layer of automation, allowing you to focus on other tasks without missing crucial trading signals. Finally, for traders with a knack for scripting, leveraging PineScript can elevate your setup. By creating a custom indicator, you can dynamically showcase your multiple take profit levels. This method offers both flexibility and precision, tailored specifically to your trading needs. While scripting requires some technical know-how, the benefits in usability and precision are substantial. Implementing these steps provides you with a solid framework to execute trades effectively. Remember, a well-organized chart is not only easy to read, but also crucial in making quick, informed trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your trading strategy with confidence and clarity.